Hello everybody and welcome to another episode. In today's episode I'm going to show you how to remove the front bumper from a BMW 3 Series. Doesn't matter which year it is, it can be from 2005 or it can be from 2012. The method is exactly the same. So first what you have to do is to open the hood, and from this point of view, right from this position, you will see 4 screws which are securing the bumper mounted to the car. And the screws are right here. You'll have to use a Torx 30 or a Torx 35 to remove them. After that, you'll have to go to the sides, and from right here, you'll have 3 bolts which are securing the dust protection from the wheel mounted on the car. You'll have to use an 8mm socket to remove them. So this is the first one, this is the second one, right here in the middle, and the third one is right here at the bottom. And normally, you'll also have another one right under the front bumper in the corner, which is also securing the dust protection from the wheel. Then you'll have 2 more screws which are securing the bumper right here in this position mounted to the fender. You'll have to use also an 8mm socket to remove them. And to reach the bolts which are securing the bumper to the fender, you'll have to pull from the dust protection of the wheel, and you'll have to put the tool underneath in order for you to have access to the bolts and remove them completely from the car. And right here, as you can see, in the other side of the car, in the other side of the bumper, everything is exactly the same. You'll have to remove the same bolts from the same place, and in this way everything is very simple. After that, in the last, you'll have to remove a few bolts from under the front bumper, which are securing the front bumper mounted to the under shield from the car. Okay everybody, so let's begin. I'm not going to explain everything because I already told you what you have to do. From here, just follow what I'm doing and you'll be good to go. As you can see, I'm almost done with removing all the bolts which are securing the bumper on this side, and I only have to remove one more bolt. And to reach it, you'll have to remove, or you'll have to pull from this the dust protection of the wheel. And I hope you all can see it very clearly. Down there is our last bolt. You'll have to use an 8mm socket to remove it, and after that you'll have to go onto the other side, and you'll have to do the exact same steps as for the opposite side. After you're done with removing all the bolts from one side, you'll have to pull from the bumper to the exterior, and the bumper will come out very easy from its place. And after that, you'll have to go under the front bumper. You'll have to remove the rest of the screws which you'll have to remove from under the bumper. You'll have 6 of them, and you'll have to also use an 8mm socket, or in some cases you'll have to use a star screwdriver. Okay guys, I hope you all can see it very clearly. I'm done with removing all the bolts from the corners, from the wheels, and also from under the bumper. And right now all I have to do is to remove the 4 bolts which are securing the bumper at the top right here in the front grille, and after that I will be able to pull it completely out from the vehicle. Like I told you at the beginning of this video, you'll have to use a Torx 30 or a Torx 35 to remove the bolts which are securing the bumper right here in this position. After that, to remove the front bumper from the car, all you have to do is to pull it completely in the front of the vehicle. Don't pull it very hard because at this point the bumper is not holding in anything and it will come out very easy. Then take that in mind that if you have a fog lights like I do in my case, you will also have some wiring connector behind the bumper. So don't let it fall onto the ground. You'll have to hold the bumper in the air until you disconnect the wiring connector from behind it, and after that you can let it fall onto the ground, because you don't want to put any stress on the connectors, because in this case you will probably break the connectors and you'll have even more problems in the future. So this is how to remove the front bumper on this car. Thank you all for watching. If you liked this video and found it informative, please leave a like and a comment down below. See you next time.